You must be thinking, hey, it's just Feb. I've got all the time in the world to prep for fall semester.
Wrong. Moving to another country is a whole other ball game. Not only do you have to keep track of college guidelines, but even country guidelines so you can get your visas in place. It can be overwhelming if you leave it to the last minute. Most of you are still awaiting news on your application, so time is on your side right now.
I've put together what we believe is a quick checklist of 7 must do items to help you prepare and ensure a smooth transition. So let's dive in. Number 1. Apply to more colleges as a safety net. As I mentioned earlier, you are most probably still waiting to hear back from the college of your choice. But it's not too late to apply to more. Just as a backup, you might have even found a college that offers you more after you've sent out the previous round of applications. Now's the time to put in those extra applications. Number 2. Recheck your applications. While we're on the topic of applications, take a little time to go through your applications to check if you've submitted everything they've asked for. It's quite common to miss out a few things here and there, so why not just be 100% sure? Most often, colleges don't get back to you if they need anything from your end. But it's good to keep track of the admission process. Number 3. Scholarship applications. Start researching on scholarships available for international students. Your university might offer you one, but there are other options provided by government organizations, private foundations, and other institutions. Check the eligibility criteria and get all the documents in place, like academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, standardized test scores, statement of purpose, and resume. Number 4. Getting a loan. Studying abroad is not exactly easy on your finances. Apart from your university tuition, you need to factor in your living expenses. Prodigy Finance offers loans at competitive interest rates and can cover up to 100% of your tuition and living expense, depending on the course and the college. The application process is entirely online, making it easy for you to apply from anywhere. Comment call me and we'll get right back to you. Number 5. Prepping for your visa. Though you technically cannot get started on the visa application until you have your university acceptance, you can prepare for the long paperwork well in advance. A valid passport to begin with, followed by the visa application process, scheduling an interview if required, and submitting your academic transcripts and financial documents. Number 6. Researching accommodation options. This might seem a little early now, but no harm in getting onto those forum groups and chatting with current students from the universities of your choice. Be smart about finding a good accommodation. Some seniors would be graduating and there are rooms to fill, so get a head start to find your place. Number 7. Cultural orientation. A fun task, unlike the others, would be acquainting yourself with the country's culture. Whether you're applying to the US, UK, Australia, Canada, or any other country, there is so much to learn about living there. Quite different from taking a holiday for sure. Think of it as a fun assignment.
There you have it. Some essential steps to prepare for your fall 2025 quarter 1 semester abroad.